Today, we will take a brief look at football rules by considering an incident that took place in a match between Jamaica and Canada in 1992.
Dale Mitchell got the final touch, but give Alex Bunbury 2 assists on that goal.
Following a 1-all draw in Kingston on October 18, 1992, Jamaica and Canada met in Toronto on November 1st, 1992, in the return leg of a qualifying match for the 1994 FIFA World Cup. With Canada leading by a 0-0 and the end of this crucial match approaching, an incident took place that sparked debates around the region. Jamaican player Peter Isaacs chested the ball past a Canadian defender, but was immediately stopped in his tracks by what appeared to be a dangerous tackle inside the Canadian penalty area. What happened next sparked a debate which lasted for months. The Jamaicans were adamant that it should have been a penalty. The Canadians felt that there was no offense at all, while the referee found a middle ground and awarded an indirect free kick inside the Canadians' penalty area. Whose side are you on with this? Was it A, no offense, B, penalty, or C, indirect free kick? Let's listen to what the Canadian commentators said on this matter.
I can't believe this. He's given an indirect free kick. Me, folks, especially in Jamaica, because this is a bit of a farce. Ball breaks here between Lyndon Hooper and Isaacs. Clean tackle, down goes Isaacs like a ton of bricks, and referee Morales 50 yards behind the play. He won the ball there cleanly. Nice to see Mr. Morales finally get up to the scene of the action.
So their point was that there was no contact, and therefore no free kick should have been awarded at all. But without knowing it, they were therefore agreeing with the referee that there was no contact. Their reasoning was faulty, however, because a free kick could be given if the referee felt that the play was dangerous, even if there was no contact. That is the very reason why he awarded an indirect free kick rather than a penalty.
Indirect free kick, and the skill of the Jamaicans makes this a very, very difficult situation.
The rule allowed for an indirect free kick to be awarded if the opposing player plays dangerously without making contact on his opponent. The referee obviously believed that this was a dangerous play without contact. Now let's consider the position held by the Jamaicans. They believed that there was indeed contact, and therefore a penalty should have been awarded. Okay, that was better reasoning. So was there contact or not? In other words, should the Jamaicans have been awarded a penalty instead of an indirect free kick? That's the only question up for debate. So let's look at the play again in slow motion, and I'll let you be the judge. What resulted from the indirect free kick was, however, appalling. This time, the Canadian commentators were correct in how they described the resulting shot.
Everybody except for number 21, Durant Brown, is up. Durant Brown standing on the center circle. He might as well join in. All the Canadians are on the 6-yard line.
Canada leading the final moments here at Varsity Stadium. Maybe their one last chance, Jamaica, to even it. One touch. Who'll take the touch now? There it is. And it's blocked by the wall as the Canadians in a charge of red.
Oh, but 7, 8, 9 Jamaicans offside there.
The offside trap.
And that's about the worst free kick I have ever seen in my life.
I hope you found this educational or at least entertaining. Thanks for watching.